Toby and the Talking Tree. A short moral story. Toby was a curious boy who loved to explore the forests near his village. One afternoon, while chasing butterflies, he stumbled upon a huge, ancient tree with twisting roots and glowing leaves. To his surprise, the tree spoke. "Hello, young one," the tree rumbled gently. "Why do you wander alone?" Toby blinked. "I like learning new things." The tree smiled. "Then listen well. I hold many secrets of the forest, but only those who are kind and patient can hear them." Toby returned every day, helping animals, picking up litter, and listening quietly. The tree began to share stories of the stars, the rivers, and the language of the birds. One day, a group of boys came and tried to carve their names into the tree. Toby stopped them. "This tree is wise and alive. You must treat it with respect." The boys laughed but left when they saw the leaves glow brighter around Toby. The tree whispered, "Thank you, Toby. You protected what others ignore." Toby smiled, knowing some treasures speak only to those who listen with their hearts. Moral: respect nature, and it will reward you with wisdom. Patience and kindness open doors that force cannot. Thank you for watching.